Yo, what is going on, chat? What is going on? What is going on? Salva, sir. What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? So let's get right into it, guys. So I had a very zoom YouTubers. up to you, Salva. I don't mind, bro. I like whatever's easier for you, bro. Um, turn this down. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right, all right. So let's get right into it. If you look on my screen on GJ, you'll see that I had this really nice supply set up. It was buying aggressive into the zone, but then it started rejecting. We had a nice 5-minute close. I just was not confident on that on the break of that 5-minute low. Or yeah, it was this one because we came here and we kind of failed to break it, and this next candle just didn't have a top wick. It just shot down. So I guess basically I was just a puss, but I was just waiting. And it was, yeah, just a aggressive bind so hard into that zone to then rejection dump all the way down. So now we can basically mark up right here this supply that was created for the move, set an alert. It's the end of the day, guys. If there's one thing that I always want to look for, it's a break of structure. That's really all I care about. Give me a break of structure, show me a direction, because I really don't like trading choppy markets. That's like the only time we get faked out, which I guess is what like any trader would kind of say. But at the end of the day, I really like mean it. Like when it comes to like getting faked out, it's usually like trying to trade a range, and it just doesn't go that way. I don't know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's open up magic keys, get that going. You guys don't have magic keys, I always recommend it. A little different. Did you ever set up your magic keys? Some ranges are kind than others. It just depends. If you're playing like a higher time frame range, yeah, I do agree, but I don't know. I figured out how to do it, so if you need help. Hello, hello, hello. 15 minutes supply. Yeah, bro, just fucking. Might as well set another alert right here at this 15-minute supply just to look for some type of little pullback. I overall still want to see themselves. It's time. We caught nice sells last night, guys. We had that big impulsive move to buys, and then last night we caught these beautiful sells. The downside, it created a little W and came up, but we just tapped right back into that area. That's why, if you're in VIP, you know I said that whatever it's called. I had this GJ like supply setup, but this GJ sells last night were really clean. Yo, hello teacher, how you doing, bro? Let's get into GU actually. I didn't do GU yet. So we rejected this 5 minute supply. It's also this hourly, or I mean, 5 minute demand, but also this hourly kind of demand area. It already got touched. It's not a fresh zone, but the lower time frames at top of demand were rejecting it super hard. But I think it's just a pullback up to this area right here to then continue more down. So alert set. Let's actually move it down a little more. I rather just follow the flow of the market. So I'm basically just waiting for pullbacks as of now. Pullbacks for further sells. What face the charge on YouTube too small? I just have a fat screen now. Sorry. Get a bigger monitor and it'll fit. There's no way to like crop it bigger. It would just cut off like half of one of the screens. Look on the fuck it used to be better. Yeah, I got a new monitor. I still have the old one right here. It's just so much smaller. Like now that I have a bigger one, it's unmatched. You can see so much more. I have the supplies on 5, but maybe it's going to take the yesterday high before I'm out. Yeah, possibly, sir. Oh, you wanted to come take out of this. Wait, what did you say? Maybe it's going to take yesterday's high before I'm out. Ooh, good catch. Possibly, sir. GU's having just nice lower highs on the way down. So the fact that we're getting like a nice pullback like this, like I said, this is the pullback. It's actually hitting the hourly supply 30-minute. Not quite yet. We still have some time. 15-minute is really what I want to look for up here at 2, 3, 5, 30. This EU, anyone in the chat see EU? I've been liking EU. It's moving clean. I haven't really taken any trades really on it, but backtesting it and just paying attention to it because obviously it moves similarly to GU, which is obviously a great pair. Love GU. But like I can show you guys now on the 5 minute time frame. You can see right here. This was the last. Oh, let me pull up here. This was the last, basically. I mean, I guess here, but this kind of covers it. So I would say this is the last valid supply before this massive move. So we've now come down and tapped into it, not breaking below any of these lows, making a lower high. This was a good little W formation to maybe take once it closed above the ASMA up here, but we'll see what it does once it pulls back up here. Because like I said, I am looking for further sells after we could possibly get up here to this area. Like I said, we just touched like near the hourly demand area. I mean supply, but 15 minute, 30 minute, 5 minute are a little ways away. So chat, what are you guys looking at though? Let me know any pairs you guys are looking at you want me to look at or whatever. This rejection was gnarly on GJ, bro. Called it out into the signal chat. Hold up. Look at it. Right when it was in the zone. I was looking for it to possibly come back down. It was aggressively buying in. Ended up stopping. The next one was pretty bullish. It looked like it was maybe going to break the highs. And the next candle just broke the lows and just freaking dumped. As you can see right here. Ink. USD CAD. Don't choke. What does that mean? On what? Oh, like not take the trade? It's not choking. Super bullish. It was just selling out of nowhere. Still just in believing in this pullback. I want to look for reactions up in this area. I don't know if it's going to pull all the way back up to this higher supply up here at 2. basically 23660. I'd rather see a little reaction in here. Why? Because like I said earlier about the range, if I just pull out like a drawing tool. Draw, is this draw? Okay, cool. Boom. You see here. Oh my god. You see here, this is basically the top of the range, in my opinion. This is kind of the bottom over here. My bad. Like right here. Right? So now that we've broken below, the retracement up to this area to get that move down, in my opinion, is likely. There's lows down here. Down. We did reject off that area. But yeah, we're still kind of ranging, but we did get that break of structure, which in my opinion, like I said, this is a minor break of structure. This is a higher break of structure. So reaction, pulled back in. Looking for something off here.
Well, this is what it looked like right before you fall. Stumbling around, you've been guessing your direction next to now I have a name, I have a name. No. Who am I to blame? Who am I to blame? No. Now can I be changed?
There's been no real high for it to take out. I took out the high here, but it was more of just like a little still on the still on its basic like reaction. There was no like high created that it came back down and then broke back through. It's like creating a high now. So that's one thing that I don't like.
Well, I drink my whiskey, you sip your wine. We're doing well, sitting watching the world falling down its decline.
The DXY.
I can keep you safe.
Oh, it took liquidity at the top over here. Let's go to the hourly.
Do not be afraid, do not be afraid. You're
All the way
feeling
up
fine,
here.
I'm feeling fine.
Dang, this is the supply that led to this big move. Do we head up into this area? Oh yeah, we rejected right off of it. Double top right off of it, so that goes down. Actually send. Hmm. This is still that real demand I really want to go down to. Why? Because this is that big demand that I came down to, made a higher low, and broke structure, right up here, and then this was that whole move since broke structure, and we've just been moving up since. Now we're coming all the way back down to here. So seeing a reaction off of this area is very likely. When will it come down? I'm not sure yet. That's why we're kind of waiting to see if we're going to react here. Kind of pull back a bit to come down. We're just going to go straight down. This is a good target for sure. Denver, Miami, sir. Oh, dude, it's hard because I want to say Denver, honestly. but I kind of like Jimmy Butler's like attitude and the way he's been playing this year, especially compared to the years. Denver for sure. Why do you say that, Riley? Oh, look at that, guys. It hit to the T. It's the 15. Dang, that's the hourly. Oof. Dang, have that supply to the T. Do you guys have a top wick on your GU? 4 really no top wick. That was the little nip wick. GJ, wow. Salva, sir, you didn't even let me know. Is USD CAD going up? Oh, USD CAD is going down. What the heck? DXY is going up. We'll see if the USD CAD turns around and starts going bullish. Dang. Let's give it a second. Let's give it a second.
Right. Yeah.